Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial of KM350 software, and in this video we show how to know about any decode, net, any netlist, any paired. So for this video we open for KM350 software, and I'm already import one Gerber, and I'm already make netlist for this video. So in this video we saw about this function info, and in info we have some more function like query, find, measure, report, note and status. In query, so we start with query, and we see when we use this function. And query, find, measure, like in query function is used when in any Gerber we have a lots of decode like any line, any other shape like a round, square, oblong, donut. And we visually we don't know the size of this all code and distance between two line. So at the time we use this function like query, it's all like we see first we see the query, and in query we have some part all. We select all, otherwise we select some particular part like part, net, paystroke, decode and drc. So we see first one all. If I am select all, and I don't know about this decode. So I'm going info, query and all, and I'm just click on it. So this is all information about this place. Like this is type it is a flash. We have type like the flash, a draw, line, like this. So this is flash. And it is a x, it means it is a location on this KM350 software, or it is a location reference to my origin like XY00, and its flash location is 15.75 and y axis location is 192.0. and it is a type, it's a through hole, mean it have one drill shot also. And our layer is L2. This is my L2 layer, and M01. Now I am selecting masking layer. This is mask top, and this is a decode 57. This is a decode, and decode number is 57, and shape is round and size is 4.8. So by info function we know all information about any flash, any type. So this is use of flash. After this we see one more example. Like if I want to know about this, then I will click on. This is my type is line. This is a line or draw. This is line of track, and it is layer L1. It is my first layer. So you click here. First layer is C01. It is a top copper layer. So this is type is line. Layer it is in top. It is in first layer, and it is top C01. Layer type top. We decide the top, and decode number. This is the decode number 12, and shape is round. Size is 2 mm size. In production hours we also need some like this. If I am check this my job, and in production the track size is very important. If track size is very low, then in production hours this is a possibility the rejection of PCB, because of the size of track is very low, or it is critical. So if we get any Gerber from customer, so first we see all this track like this. This track is very here distance is very low, here is also very low, and this decode is also small. So if I want to know invisible in here, I don't know the size of this decode. Yes, I know this this is a draw. This is my draw or line. I am know, but I don't know it is a size of this decode. So for the know this size, we just go on info, query, all, and I'm click on it. So all information is here. This is a type line. This is on layer 1, top layer, and decode number is 37, and shape is round, and size is 0.5. It is 0.5 mm. So I am know my production capability is 0. If minimum size of any trace or track is 0.25, so it is more than this 0.25, so it's okay. If it's okay, so by this info we know all information about any decode. So this is use of this query. And in query we have some filter, like we part, net and pesto. Like I will click on this net, then we just select a net, not we select any place or any type. Like I'm click here, it's net, click here, net. Anywhere I'm click, it's just select a net, because I have set a filter of net. Other parameters are not selected. So if I want to know this net, like I want to know that this net, then I'm go on query or and net, I'm click on. If I'm click, then the highlight all net, and I am now know by maximize minimize this net and area of this net and distance between other net, like this. We have other also information. It is net is net number 73. In this net we got 37 via hole, via, and all this. And it is a net is also used when we get some short in testing, like in BBT machine or flying probe machine or any universal machine. It is electrical testing of PCB, and in electrical testing of PCB sometimes we get some open error, some short error. Like open error, if this track is cut from here, then we don't get connection from here to here. Like this track is cut from here or often from here, then this point to this point connection is not electrically not possible, because the track is cut, so electrical or voltage or current is not passed from here because track is cut. So this is my open error. If in short error, if this ground area is here short to here to here, then in our Gerber or PCB design we don't want to short this both area, but in any production mistake we got a short here, then this net and this net are short, like net number 73 and net number 58. 73 and 58 are short to each other, so we get error in machine like this. And net number 73 and net number 58 are short. So after that we see like this. This is my net number 58 and this is my net number 73. So we take like this net and this net, so we know this is shorting area like here or this here, so we check just two net, so it is easy for us. So in electrical testing, in quality control, we use net like this. So this is use of query, like in most of queries we select all, so we take any net, flash, all thing. And in info, the second option is find. If I don't know about any net, like, and I am got error like net number 58 is short with other net, so I directly I don't know. This is all my net. Now this all net have some unique number of net, like in this Gerber we have 50 approximately. I am assume this is it Gerber has 120 net, so I don't identify which is my 58 number net. Then if I may find to 58 number net, then I am just go on info, find, and go on net, and I may just set net number 58. First we go on query all. This is polygon line. Net number 58. So this is my net number 58. For find any net, we go on info, find and go on net, and here just we type net number. If I want to my net number 50, then I press 50 and OK. So this is my net, single net and net number 50. So by this info we directly find any net. By info we directly find any part number, any net, any page stroke, and any decode by this option. And our third option is measure and measure another third option, like what we want to measure, point to point, object to object, or net to net. For this we first select point to point. If here we have two flash, first and second. If I want to in point to point like this, for point to point I am select one point here and here. I am select one point as manually from here, and then I am select this area here to here, and the distance is point number 1. I am select here my it is a coordinate xy coordinate. Point number 2, it's xy coordinate, dx dy. Our dx distance is 158. It is in mm. Here to here distance is 158 mm. So it is I am take manually for measurement. And our second option is info, measure, and object to object. In object means this place is all object, and this is all object. So if I am measure from object to object, then software is automatically take a center of this any place or object. Like this is my object, and if I click here or here or here, it is take a center here. This is the center of this object. So it is in object to object measurements. Software is automatically take a center of one object and center of second point. So if I click here, then and here, info, measure, object to object. So this is object to object. Here take my software is center. Like I am take transparency for our view. Info, measure, and object I am click on it. I one point is selected, place is selected like this. This is a highlight by white color, and I am now select my second point, and if I am select it, so this is my second point. It is a take a center of this point. So my point one is here. I'm select point 1 is here, and point 1 is my this is center, and this point 1 xy coordinate is 5.09 and 199 and 4. It is my here this point, because the measure from object to object, we take a center of this object. So from here to my second point is here to here option. So this is a by default take a center of object when we need one place to place, and when we measure the size of PCB or size of any PCB or size of any panel, then we take object to object measurement. And we have third option in measurement is a net to net. In sometime we want to want distance between two net like this. Here we have two net, this and this. This is my first net and this is second net. I don't know the distance between these two net. Then that time we use this function to measure the distance between net to net. So I will select one net and select second net. So this is my net to net, and the distance is my 0.1, 0.2 dx dy distance is 0.5. So half mm is my distance between net to net. So this is my one net and second net. We take second example for net to net. If I am select this these two net, first and second, then my net to net, the net to net minimum distance is d distance 0.55 mm, 0.55 mm. So in some time we know the no distance between net to net because of shortage problem. If distance between net to net is very low, then in production the short between two track is chance is more in production. So this is our work of info. In this we so query, find and measurement, and report, note and status is not used in most of editing or making Gerber. So thank you guys.